Hello and welcome back to Unique Autos. Got here. What are you doing, Dana?
Mixing some paint, gloss black. Oh,
We've got some gloss black paint in this video. We've got brand new grills. Let's get started. So Dana, what's happening over here?
what's happening over here? I just put the pistons in. So this is for the TT. We want a mad power. Mad power.
Okay.
So,
I didn't know hammers were power, but so this is our very secretive build. If you want to see this build, share as much as you can, and then we'll make a nice video of this Audi TT 2-litre TFSI.
yes.
Been ported
Yes.
with boost line, conrods, and AP head bolts. What else is there? JE pistons. First thing first, we're getting this Audi A4 S line on the ramp, and we put in a honeycomb black grille, which is this one. What do you do now? First.
Well, I'm gonna take the bumpers out because basically you can't change the grill without taking the bumpers off. So that's it.
Haven't told us
About
what you're doing with the black paint. The grill is already black. So what are you doing with the black paint?
this grey bit here, I'm gonna gloss black this as well. And it's
Okay.
gonna match up so nice. Worst case scenario, I might gonna have to take these out as well. Give them a nice fresh gloss so all match up.
Okay. So we went from this to that. As you can see, one small grill makes a big difference. Next, we're gonna do Dana's car. Dana over there. We're gonna do his car grill. Same one, black mesh grill. So this is Dana's car. That's the grill he's got at the moment. do you think of your car?
I always love Japanese. I will never
Like
forget
the
him.
Subarus, innit?
I never forget him. That's why when I see this, I just throw a little bit of red on it. And bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe it.